Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Johanna Nurmala. In this previous occasion, I would like to explain about National Education Day in pandemic corona. Basically, the coronavirus was identified in the May 19th and 16th, but only considered a common cold. Continues in 2002. A new virus that is considered more fatal and dangerous, them called SARS or Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome, is a type of corona from animal origin, predicted bats or snakes that appeared in the body of a ferret. Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2, better known as the coronavirus. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is part of a large family of viruses that cause respiratory infections. In general, there are three symptoms that indicate a person contracting the coronavirus, which is fever or body temperature above 38 or 39 degrees Celsius, coughing, and shortness of breath. COVID-19 was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China, at the end of December 2019. However, currently WHO is raising the status of COVID-19 to become a global pandemic. It is rapid distribution in the government to implement a physical distancing policy. Even though large-scale social restrictions or PSBB have been implemented. Of course, there are many impacts which are quite extensive in community activities. In addition to the economic impact, the impact of crime has also increased. Minister of Health Regulation number 9 of 2020 concerning guidelines of large-scale social restrictions in the context of coordination handling 19. Since April 10, 2020, Jakarta has become the first city to implement PSBB for the next 14 days. Minister of Education and Culture or Menteri Pendidikan dan Budaya Nadiem Makarim has prepared a scenario if the spread of COVID-19 is increasingly widespread, as there are temporary closures for schools and campuses. The current scenario is to replace face-to-face in class with online classes or online assignment. Nadiem, when interviewed by Najwa Shihab at the Learning from COVID-19 program that was broadcast live through the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture YouTube account, explained that there was always wisdom behind a problem. COVID-19 pandemic in fact indeed limits any activity or community movement. The education sector, for example, is forced to conduct teaching and learning activities without face-to-face or carried out online. Nadiem explained that so this crisis imposes their learning, where children's education is a collaboration of parents and teachers. Families, teachers, and students are a team to make children's education successful. That is COVID-19's learning and proves that to really learn to grow as an individual is out of the comfort zone. That's the most optimal level of learning. It can be concluded that activities that are routinely carried out by educators and students by relying on technology also from a new normality in the world of education. Even now, teaching activities don't only occur between teacher and student, but also teachers, students, and parents. I think enough for me, and sorry if I make mistakes. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.